So what's up, everyone? Today is the 14th of November 2020. We're here to talk about Chainlink. If you're a fan of Chainlink, I'm just pretty much doing this video just to give you all a heads up as to what has gone on over the last couple of days in Chainlink's price action. There's something that has occurred over the last day that I really want to bring to your attention, just for you to be cautious of, to let you know that this previous bullish move that is on the charts right now may take a rest. It may take a break before resuming to higher prices. So let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. So this video was produced, my last video for Chainlink was produced on October the 9th. Okay, it was the last time we did a video for Chainlink, and we did not drop a price prediction on the chart. We wanted to see, okay, how bullish was the market? We wanted to see whether or not those buyers was going to take out these sellers in this zone. And as you can see, they did that. Fantastic. But then they came and hit a barricade right here of sellers now. So this is the cautious area that I want to bring to your attention. This is where we're seeing another increase of selling pressure in Chainlink, right there around $17. That's something that we identified, and that is exactly where the market turned from going up to going down. You guys can see it right here on November the 11th and then on the 12th. Okay, so let's get rid of this line here because those buyers was able to take the sellers out there, but they were not successful in taking out this area here at 1650. So let's talk about the next thing, because yesterday's trading action, you guys can actually see we also received two indicators of weakness off of one price bar. That tells you something. It tells you that the market may has topped out just for a moment and to be prepared for price to go lower in Chainlink. Charts don't lie. The only way that this indicator of weakness won't come to pass, i.e. price going down, is if those buyers continue to buy the market like they did during this time period. That's the only way the market will not go down in Chainlink. The buyers has to support the price, just like this, in order for this indicator of weakness to not be relevant. Okay, so literally we need to be on the lookout for that. We need to see if those buyers are going to hold the market in Chainlink in that zone. But considering that they did it here and seeing how this volume massively increased on this particular day, November the 9th, maybe they ran out of money. Maybe those buyers are not interested in buying Chainlink at $14.27 because they may think it's expensive. Look at the chart on the 2-day time frame. We have 12 hours and 16 minutes left in Chainlink. If this price bar looks the way that it looks right now, and we still have this indicator of weakness right there in the next 12 hours, the idea needs to be, yeah, the market looks kind of weak right now. Here it is on the 3-day chart. I'm here to tell you the same thing. The same thing. If the indicator of weakness is still seen in the next 12 hours and 15 minutes, and the market in Chainlink closed at the low, we need to be prepared for price to go down. Chainlink on the 5. We still have 2 days left on this current 5-day price bar, but you can see we still have an indicator of weakness there. If we see in the next 2 days the price in Chainlink come all the way down to $13, maybe to the low this prior 5-day price bar, this trend line is going to be tested. Okay, that's my prediction. That's what I'm looking forward to if that happens. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. Price is weak. Look for the market buyers to try to initially come to the low of this area, 1350, give or take, in the beginning stages to try to hold price. But yeah, the market currently is revealing that it is weak. Here it is on the 1-hour chart. Charts don't lie. Take a look. We're getting these indicators of weakness. Push to go down and another push to go down. Every time, for the most part, when you see these indicators of weakness, the market goes that direction, unless it's hitting a zone of selling and or buying. So the idea currently is that Chainlink is exhibiting some weakness. 14 minutes, 43 seconds. If this push to go down bar is still there, like I said, look for price to initially try to test this area here or the low of this one. 3-hour price bar. Let's look at this on a longer hourly time frame. Okay, so I'm finished. Here it is, 5 minutes. I'm going to predict that Chainlink is going to go down. We're going to look for the market to decrease to the downside This is our area of resistance now, all the way up here at 1656. These areas, these horizontal lines, will have to be initial targets. 1 3/4%, maybe around $14 to $13.60, 4.61%. But on a daily time frame, my first target will be around here in this zone. So that's like what? 10.31%. And then my second target will be all the way back down here to this trend line, which is around $12, which is also 16% move to the downside. Okay, so let me extend these lines over because I'm gonna use this as a reference so that we can come back and say, okay, cool, did those buyers hold the level here, or did they not show up and price continue to go lower? Because to me, on a daily time frame, longer time frame, the 2-day chart, the 3-day chart, I don't think the market's going to hold these two zones. So we'll just see though. All right, I'm finished. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.